Friday. This was the last day of class, 1:15. The students did, about 20 minutes. 20 minutes of research on what's new. We talked about massive online open courses. We talked a little bit about security on the front end, the client, and on the back end, the server. We talked about fake news a little bit. I mentioned a little bit about paywall, paying to get to certain things on the internet. And we also talked about the effect of likes, how many views people have. Students did their reports for their interviews. Those were good as interesting materials, course materials. Final reminded them to do the outline and filled out the course evaluations then. And that would be it.